In China, we have a proverb: the suitable weather, the suitable people.
The customer who bought this batch of equipment, we have our first contract in 2019. After using our equipment, the customer gave us a lot of very good advice so that we improved our designing and made this batch of equipment.
我们SANY重要战略之一现在是国际化。目前公司把最主要的优势资源、最厉害的高手都聚焦于国际化的产品开发。
Due to the global pandemic, the shortage of the shipment, so we must catch up the shipment date. But when we prepare everything, the rain stopped. The weather helped us. I think it's a good forecast for the market.
Before signing this contract, the customer worried about our service. We have 5 service stations in Sydney, Melbourne, Perth, and Brisbane. And we also have service engineers coming from China and Australia so that we can give them our best service in 24 hours.
我们结合2的图样的特性和它固有的频率特性，我们对整机的振动的频率特性做了一个详细的匹配，所以使我们的压实效率和压实能力这块大幅提升。
The leasing company and the municipal government are our key customers. Besides, Australia is famous for the natural results. We focus on the mining market as well.
要快速满足2的客户对产品的一个交付，高质量的交付。
We thank the customer for helping us, and we go ahead with the customers together.